we'll do firstly, tell me q is equal to what now here, 10 into, and it's a direct put the x integration, x limits are 0 to 1 now, so here this integration is e power minus 0.1 x by minus 0.1 x integration 0 to 1, and y terms, this is y integration, this is 2 minus 1 dy, and z integration is what, z cube by 3, limits 0 to 3. So this is nano, this also q also, this also nano. So what I will get now here, 10 into and this is one more 10 na, this 0.1 will come to numerator, yes, into what I can say, this is 1 minus e power minus 0.1, 1 minus e power minus 0.1, yes, into 1 into 1, this is 1 into, so this is 1 by 3 into what, 3 cube na, 9, 27, so here 1 3 will get cancelled na, 9, so how much this value is a 900 into 1 minus e power minus 0.1, units are nanocoulombs, and do simplify, get this answer. Next, the electric flux density is given by, they are asking to find the total charge enclosed. Flux density is given, they are asking to find the charge now here. So similarly, flux density is given, charge, as we have seen Gauss law, the flux is equal to q enclosed, which is equal to integral of what, d dot ds now. The given d is given, they asked to find the charge only, so d given along theta direction, so this is flux now, flux which is equal to q, that is equal to what now here, surface integral of 100 cos 2 theta by r into a theta dot. Here what are the variables are here, r is variable and theta also variable now, r theta phi, okay, so here theta r is variable, theta variable, phi is constant now, so what I can change in length along r is dr, along theta is r d theta, so from this what I can say, ds now here, ds is equal to r dr d theta along what direction, phi direction, yes, now this is what I can say, r dr d theta into what now here, a phi now this a theta dot a phi is how much it is, 0, a theta dot a phi is 0, so